We're diving into the benefits of ChatGPT, a powerful tool developed by OpenAI. Synthesis of material. ChatGPT can gather and analyze a variety of materials and present a synthesized understanding. This is extremely helpful for students, as it can explain complex topics in a simpler way. Content generation. This AI can write almost like a human, creating original content that can assist in various writing tasks, including drafting an essay or project. Broad-spectrum research. From pop culture to scientific theories, ChatGPT can provide information on an array of subjects. Round-the-clock availability. Unlike human assistants, ChatGPT is available 24/7. Language learning. It's a fantastic tool to learn and practice new languages. It can correct your mistakes and help you understand nuances. Part 2. Making the most of ChatGPT. For synthesis of material, ask ChatGPT to explain complex topics you are struggling with. It can offer a simpler explanation or examples. For content generation, provide ChatGPT with the topic and main points you want to cover in your writing. It will generate a comprehensive text for you. For research, ask ChatGPT any questions you have, whether it's about a historical event or a scientific theory. It will compile the information for you. For learning a language, interact with ChatGPT in your chosen language and let it correct your errors and enhance your fluency. Jay-Z could use ChatGPT to analyze trends in the music industry and generate new lyrics based on popular styles. Kanye West could utilize ChatGPT to write promotional materials for his Yeezy brand or for scripting and conceptualizing new music videos. Tyler Perry could leverage ChatGPT to draft preliminary scripts for new plays or movies, and even to analyze audience feedback to better understand what they enjoy in his productions. Could you imagine? Medea meets the AI anything? Lol, hilarious. Your mindset determines your success. With these AI tools, you can effectively harness the power of information and technology to reach your goals. ChatGPT, along with others in Futurepedia.io with over 3,000 AI tools. Remember, don't focus on the problem, but the solution, which leads to success. For digital marketing help, please go to https://www.cochangemarketing.com.